Hi, Maggie in front. Just going to talk to you about the ATC Wallet Die Set. So this is a smaller version, slightly different shape from our original photo wallet die set. We had lots of requests for it. So as you can see, it's quite a big die set. Cuts out your base, wallet, and then you have different bits and pieces that fit inside. So I'll just show you how it all works. So first of all, you're going to cut out your base, which is this piece, and it's got score lines on for you. So as we always say, just warm the cardstock up first and burnish along there. Find the next score line, just warm it up with your hands first, place it down, oh I can see it, and that's that one there. So that is your outside base of your little wallet. So this is perfect for gift cards, all sorts of things like that. And I'm using our Black Cat 210 GSM cardstock, which is plenty thick enough. You don't want it too thick because it's difficult to manipulate then. So on the outside we're going to stick our decorative mats. Now remember, when you're cutting it out, that's going to fold like that. So you want to make sure that if you've got a patterned image, you cut it so it's going to be the right way up for each piece. So we'll start with this one. And obviously you can ink the edges if you want, just for a different effect. I'm just using our bookbinding glue. Pop that on there. This is a really nice little die set to do lots of little hidden pockets and little photos in your journals, memory books and albums. So that's the first one. So that's going to fold over like that. So this one needs to fit that way. I'll stick this one on. And I always use glue because you get a better stick, and also it's the more tape you use, the bulkier everything gets. Right, so check again, you've got that the right way around. I'm going to go that way. So when you open that up, it's still the right way around, and that's going to say "Hello Pumpkin." I'll just pop that on there. Like that. So then you've got your front here. Now the front mat that cuts onto here is actually cuts photo slots in, but if you just want it as plain without anything in it, just when you cut it, stick it down and burnish really well. But I'm going to use this as, stick this one as it is. Again, make sure I've got it the right way up. I'm not going to put glue where the card's going to go. So what you can do is you can actually cut from the die set. It cuts an ATC size, so you can pop that in there, and then you could actually have that as a plain mat, just addressing it to somebody if you wanted to. But this does also cut, there is another die that cuts a mat for this, so let's pop that on there. That on there, that's onto there, like that. And I'm going to put this one in here. You can see it fits really nicely already. Put that one in there. I'm just putting it in because I don't want to stick the wrong bits down. Make sure that's the right way up. And then you're going to put glue everywhere except where the black card is poking out. Okay. And then that one's going to pop on there. like that. And you would burnish it very well. And what you can then do is actually take this one out, because what you want to do is burnish that very well. As I say, if you didn't want those bits, you could just burnish those in and you wouldn't see them. So that's the front of your wallet, the outside. So the pattern all continues around, so it's the right way that way, it's the right way that way, and then when you open it on the inside, we're going to line the inside now. So it's the same concept. This time you don't have to worry about having patterns different ways, because it's all the same when you open it up. Bit too much glue. Okay, and then you've got the same again. And these are both photo mats, so that'll fit on there. And you can see where the slot is here. You can stick one on here as well, but what you want to do is make sure you don't put any glue on that bit there. So I'm going to stick this one first. Again, it's a photo mat one, so we'll just go lightly around the edge, not touching where the black card or the little card will poke through. And then I'm going to avoid the middle bit so that I can still close my card, but you don't see the flaps there. Right, okay, so then you also have two other strips that are here, and they're designed to make that to hold, if you want to hold something that's a bit thicker and you think, oh, it's not going to hold nicely in there. If you've got a gift card, it's designed to do this. So pop, no, don't stick that yet, Maggie. You want to map that one onto there. So map this one. And you're going to stick this as a pocket, so 3 sides. Make sure that folds up. Yes, it does. Okay, so then you can pop your gift card in there. You can pop your little note in here, saying, here you are, here's a little present for you. We'll put a smaller one. Right, so that's that, like that. So they open it up, happy birthday, here's a nice little gift for you. That's there, and that hopefully will fold into there like that. So that's your little ATC wallet. And as I say, there's lots you can do with it. So, and it cuts out a perfect size ATC card with a mat on top. Bye!